Welcome to our lighthouse. Today we're going to speak about how to change your life. Sometimes, during the course of the day, someone may make us feel angry. They may say or do something that causes us to feel hurt. Or we may find that we're attracting things into our life that are not desirable to us. So how do we shift this? How do we change our life? The answer is very, very simple. If you wanted to have a healthy body, every day you would exercise to make your body strong, so that when the time came that you had to lift something heavy, your body would be able to lift this item without stress. Just the way the physical body needs to practice and exercise in order to be strong, the spiritual body, the energy body, also needs practice and work. To do this, you can do meditations or any yogic practice. And this practice will give your body the spiritual energy that you need, so that when the time comes that someone says or does something that may cause you some harm or stress, you will already be in a peaceful state. If you are already in a serene and peaceful place, when someone says or does something that causes you some pain or makes you feel or perceive that they are causing you some pain, you will be able to see this with a deeper awareness. The key is not at that moment when you're upset to then go and look for things to make you calm. It's that every day you must work to bring yourself to a place of equilibrium. If you are already at this place of equilibrium, then nothing can disturb you, and your whole life will change. We must every day do spiritual practices. This way, by changing our way of life, our entire life will shift. What we attract into our life and how we respond to events in our life will also be very, very different.